Alright guys, so this is a Sienna, the sunroof skirt. I have another video on sunroof accordion skirts. It's a different type, but this one is the type. Here's my part number for my new one, and I'll explain what's going on in just one second, but this is the type that has this sliding part on the top. So other ones on like Corollas and stuff don't have this sliding part. It just has like this part and it just connects in, and it's real simple. This one took me a second to figure out, but basically what's going on is when I operate my sunroof, I'll show you. As you can see, that accordion thing is coming off, and it actually stayed on pretty good this time. But basically what's happening for me is it'll just pop off like right down here, and it'll get jammed in there, and just it's falling off, not doing good. So I just replaced this side, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it's supposed to work. See? Basically what happens is when the glass goes backwards, the little slidey part right here slides back, and then when it closes it slides back in and then shuts down. So this one over here is all messed up. I wouldn't even, I mean, you could, I'll show you, you could try to fix these up a little bit and then put them back in, but I just got a new one. But there's like one thing you could do to try. First, let's get it out. Let's pull it out of here. Might have to lift up your sunroof. So the edges of these, like up here, I took some pliers and just squeezed this tighter to see if I could just get it to hold on better. And then also the bottom part, you could also squeeze this part to just go through the whole thing and squeeze it to make it tight, make it stay on there. But basically I just got a new one. So you want to take this one off, and there's a piece up here. Go ahead and take this off. It clips right here, so you just pull it off. You know, it's this little plastic piece. Okay, we'll go ahead and put these parts over here so we don't get them confused with the new parts. Here's my new one. Here's the part number. Inner blind RHSVC, I don't know, but there's the part number. This is for the passenger side. Alright, and when you get your new one, the new one should come with a new slidey top part. See how it slides? Like that. And this plastic part can come off. See, if it does, no big deal, just put it back in the little ridge. And this little square part is the one that goes in. See this little square part, it just goes in the little slot, and like that. Okay, so I'm putting this new one in. We're gonna do this top clip first. See this top clip? I'm gonna put it in this way. This will go on the top, this clip part, and where it's gonna go is right on this part that drops down. So this top piece is flat, 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 and then it drops down, and then it's back flat, flat, flat. So the clip goes right in here. I'm gonna try to just do that part first. So with it in here, it's all connected. We're gonna go ahead and put it in. I'm about to scrunch it up and put it towards the back, and then we'll clip this top part in. Okay guys, so I know it's kind of hard to see, it just looks like a bunch of black, but I got the clip in. It's nice and tight. It is kind of a pain, well, not a pain, it's just you just got to put it in, but it's good that it's like that because it's going to hold tight. So then the bottom, I'm going to take the bottom out and get it open. So this bottom piece right here, this, you push this onto this silver piece on the top ridge. Okay, now this looks like it might be in your way. Basically what you could do is slide, or you scrunch this up, and you could put it in the black part if you need to, like that. But you should be able to just slide this way and then install it. So let's go ahead and push it on the bottom ridge. Alright, so I got it on, as you can see, and that's also, you kind of might have to work it for a sec to get it on, but we got it on. And then you could, I don't think you really need to put it in that black part in the front though. So let's go ahead and open this and see if it works. go ahead and put this in this black part right here, the accordion. Put it in the black part, and then we'll try it. Alright, and that's how it's supposed to work, guys.